Engineering and maintenance is the technical core of KLM. Thousands of specialists work here on planes for KLM and international customers. Every action contributes to safe and reliable aviation. Planes arrive for checks, engines are transferred to test cells, and components are measured, documented, repaired and certified again. Within the component repair department, hydraulic components are carefully inspected, tested and restored to the highest standards. With demand continuing to grow and floor space within the hydraulic components department remaining limited, KLM Engineering and Maintenance sought smarter ways to optimize the workspace and increase operational capacity. To achieve these goals, they partnered with Human Workspace to develop ergonomic, multifunctional workstations designed to improve efficiency and support future growth. By bringing administrative tasks and repair activities together at a single workstation, the new multifunctional workstations eliminate unnecessary movement and make optimal use of the available space. The result is a more efficient workflow and additional capacity to support future growth. Integrated storage solutions keep tools and components organized and within easy reach. Every item has a dedicated place, supporting an efficient workflow while maintaining a clean and uncluttered work surface. To improve workplace safety, Human Workspace integrated a drip tray with a drainage grid into the workstation to safely collect residues of skydrol, the hydraulic fluid used in aerospace applications. The removable tray is easy to empty and clean, and can be covered with a metal lid to create additional work surface whenever needed. The electrically height-adjustable workstations feature programmable height presets, allowing each technician to instantly select their preferred working height. This supports an ergonomic working posture, reduces physical strain and helps prevent work-related injuries. Electric height adjustment also enables heavy components to be transferred smoothly onto the workstation while maintaining the correct working height. By reducing excessive lifting, reaching and awkward movements, the workstations improve both operator comfort and workplace ergonomics. The new workstations have created a more ergonomic, efficient and flexible working environment. By optimizing workflows, maximizing the available space and supporting the people who use them every day, they help KLM Engineering and Maintenance prepare for continued growth and operational excellence. By combining ergonomics, modularity and intelligent workplace design, KLM Engineering and Maintenance, together with Human Workspace, created a safer, more efficient and future-ready working environment. A workplace designed to support people, improve performance and grow with tomorrow's demands. Human Workspace Solutions. Designed for people, built for performance. Find out what we can do for you.